You.
Are watching I'm Kinda Production, and today's show will be completely different because today you have the opportunity to make delicious chicken lollipops using just one simple recipe. You can make veg lollipops, you can make veg Szechuan rice, you can make chicken Szechuan rice.
Veg Szechuan noodles. Triple Szechuan noodles can be made.
Yes, because the most important ingredient in all of these recipes is definitely the Szechuan sauce.
Yes, Szechuan sauce.
If you don't have it, you won't be able to make all these recipes.
Meaning?
Overall, you will not be able to successfully make approximately 30% of Chinese and Indo-Chinese recipes. Szechuan sauce is store-bought. It has color in it, and it also has a lot of mixing involved. You need to make the sauce at home, ensuring it is completely natural and free from any artificial color, which will result in a great aroma. I am in the kitchen of Fork and Spoon, and their cloud kitchen is very busy, and their Chinese dishes are excellent. I am going to share with you all the recipe for Szechuan sauce. Do it and don't make a mistake.
Take care.
It will mess up. I am inside the kitchen of Fork and Spoon.
And I am at Sakinaka, and here with us is Ramabhai, who has how many years of cooking experience?
13 years.
13 years. Since I was a little kid being mischievous, you have been cooking. And what are you going to tell us here? Szechuan sauce.
Yes.
This is the place where the lollipops and the gravies that you use are made.
Yes, the same one.
Well, can you tell me how many grams are made now?
We are making 6, right? Yes, this is our 100 grams. 100 grams, yes. Oh, it's panda chili, right? 50 grams.
Okay, this is Kashmiri chili and this is panda chili. These are two different chilies.
Yes, they're different chilies.
Okay, what else is needed?
Start with garlic, 100 grams in total. And onion, yes, make sure to include onion in the total. Also, do not forget the ginger. You will need 50 grams of chili, and do not overlook the celery.
50 grams. Okay, this is the whole star anise. 2 to 3 stars. Ramaji, what are you doing first? First, we need to boil the chilies.
Yes.
Both chilies need to be boiled.
Both chilies need boiling.
How long will you boil them together?
It will take 10 minutes here.
Boil for 10 minutes here, okay. After making the chili paste, what's next? You've taken oil in the wok.
Yes, I have taken it.
Oh, okay. Tempering in my boat is going to happen. Now we roast it.
This paste is now ready.
How long will it take to cook?
It will take 5 minutes to cook now.
Cooking for 5 minutes.
Oil.
And add it.
Added a little more oil, yes.
The tempering of the chili is so strong, what can I tell you? Very. Because I specifically asked them to stop the exhaust, you can now hear the sound more clearly. The tempering of the chili is so strong that even Spider-Man's nose would be completely filled. Roast it on high flame. Roast it on high flame.
The recipe is complete. The chili paste is ready. After that now.
Turn it on now, turn it on, or there will be too much smoke. Turn on mobile. We have turned on the exhaust.
Now it's cooking properly, slowly.
Now it's cooking, okay? It's important to cook it well. Everyone is in a tight spot. It's ready. We have reached step 2 for Abhishek. First, we roasted the chilies well.
First,
Star anise, yes.
after that garlic. Then add the garlic lightly.
Cook the garlic properly.
Yes.
And oil.
Yes, add a little oil. It's reduced here. Yes, now add the onions.
Onions added.
Yes, onions. After onions, add ginger. Ginger added. Cook it for a short time.
Okay, cook it for a short time. We are currently inside the kitchen of Fox and Spoon, and we are here in Sakinaka. What seems to be the matter and what exactly happened to it? In the bustling area of Sakinaka, where the comedian Krishna Abhishek once made a memorable joke, we now find that Dada has arrived on the scene. Showing the recipe now.
Added everything.
I also added some celery and chili to the mix. After frying the ginger, you added celery and chili. A large quantity of Szechuan is being made in the back.
Yes. It will take some time, about 10 to 12 minutes.
Fry it for 10 to 12 minutes. Please keep frying and turn on the exhaust or it will be very difficult. I had the exhaust turned off for the sound, but it will be unfair from our part.
Now the garlic's gone, everything's gone. It'll be fried in Delhi.
The chili paste we made earlier,
Yes, we made that. Added it now.
chili paste added. And now adding it with tomatoes. This
Everything.
red chili sauce added. Tomato ketchup also added. Sweetness and spiciness also added. It's ready.
Not ready yet. Need to add spices.
Spices will also be added. The aroma is excellent. I thought it was done. What are you adding now?
First, salt.
Adding salt to taste. And this is aromat powder.
Yes, aromat powder.
And sugar is being added.
Yes.
White pepper added. And you haven't used any MSG in this recipe, have you?
We don't use color either.
No color either.
We don't use color.
You talk like this. Have you seen your face? Talk like this, Mike.
We don't use black color either, and we don't use MSG. Tell them what was added first.
It's on. Yes, it's ready.
Done, Dad.
And this is our Szechuan sauce. It's ready.
At Fox and Spoon, you will be able to get this for 800 rupees per kilogram. We have already shared the recipe with you, so please do try it out. No matter where you are in the world, but yes,
Hit it.
please make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and take care of the channel by subscribing and staying engaged. And of course, even in such a busy kitchen, they shared the recipe with us, so do leave a comment for them. That's the least we can do, boss.